In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. I'm Suleiman, your English teacher. In my last video, I taught you all the basic sounds of the English alphabet, which was the first part of this topic, and I taught you there all the possible sounds from the letter A to E. In this video, I will teach you about all possible basic sound from letter F to M. So let's move on to the second part of this topic. Here we go. Alphabet phonics. Letter F. Pronunciation F. Related words with their sounds. Here you will see three words in red with their pronunciation. Fruit, thief, left. F as F. Names with images. Here you will see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Fruit. The soft part containing seeds that is produced by a plant. Many types of fruit are sweet and can be eaten. Thief. A person who steals. Left. In or toward. A position that is the opposite of right and on the side of your body that contains the heart. Alphabet phonics. Letter G. Pronunciation J and G. Related words with their sounds. Here you will see G as J and G as G. First we talk about G as J. Ginger. Page. Now we talk about G as G. Game. Bag. G as J. Names with images. Here you will see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Ginger. The spicy root of a tropical plant that is used in cooking or preserved in sugar, or a powder made from this root, used as a spice. Page. A side or one of the pieces of paper in a book, newspaper, or magazine, usually with a number printed on it. Game. An entertaining activity or sport, especially one played by children, or the equipment needed for such an activity. Bag. A container of leather, hard plastic, or cloth material with a top that can be closed for carrying clothes or other objects, especially when you are traveling. A suitcase. Alphabet phonics. Letter H. Pronunciation H. Related words with their sounds. Here you will see three words in red with their pronunciation. Here. Honey. A hat. H as H. Names with images. Here you will see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Here. To receive or become conscious of a sound using your ears. Honey. A sweet, sticky, yellow substance made by bees and used as food. A head. In front. Making more progress than someone else. Alphabet phonics. Letter I. Pronunciation E. I, E, E. Related words with their sound. First we talk about the E sound. Drink, sink. Now we talk about the I sound. Dive, kite. Now we talk about the long E sound. E sound. Boutique, magazine. Now we talk about the sound. Bird, girl. I as E. Names with images. Here you will see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Drink. An amount of liquid that is taken into the body through the mouth. To take liquid into the body through the mouth. Sink. To cause something or someone to go down below the surface or to the bottom of liquid or soft substance. I as I. Names with images. Here you will see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Dive. Dive. To jump into water, especially with your head and arms going in first, or to move down under the water. Kite. A frame covered with cloth or plastic and joined to a long string that you fly in the air when the weather is windy. I as E. Names with images. Here you will see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Boutique. A small shop that sells fashionable clothes, shoes, jewelry, etc. Magazine. A type of thin book with large pages and paper cover that contains articles and photographs and is published every week or month. I as A. Names with images. Here you will see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Bird. A creature with feathers and wings, usually able to fly. Girl. A female child or young woman, especially one still at school. Alphabet phonics. Letter J. Pronunciation J. Related words with their sound. Here you will see 3 words with their pronunciation. Jug. Ja. Jet. J as Joe. Names with images. Here you will see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Jug. A container for holding liquids that has a handle and a shaped opening at the top for pouring. Jar. A glass or clay container with a wide opening at the top and sometimes a fitted lid, usually used for storing food. Jet. An aircraft with a jet engine that is able to fly very fast. Alphabet phonics. Letter K. Pronunciation K. Related words with their sound. Here you will see 3 words with their pronunciation. King. Ketchup. Milk. K as K. Names with images. Here you will see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. King. The title of a male ruler of a country who holds this position because of his royal birth. Ketchup. A thick, cold red sauce made from tomatoes. Milk. The white liquid produced by cows, goats, and sheep and used by humans as a drink or for making butter, cheese, etc. Alphabet phonics. Letter L. Pronunciation L. L. Related words with their sound. First we talk about L as L. Lamp. Lamb. Now we talk about L as L. Needle. Noodle. L as L. Names with images. Here you will see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Lamp. A device for giving light, especially one that has a covering or is contained within something. Lamb. A young sheep or the flesh of a young sheep eaten as meat. L as L. Names with images. Here you will see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Needle, a thin metal pin used in sewing that is pointed at one end and has a hole called an eye at the other end for thread. Noodle, a food in the form of long, thin strips made from flours or rice, water, and often egg, cooked in boiling liquid. Alphabet phonics. Letter M. Pronunciation M and Related words with their sound. First we talk about M as M. Money. Warm. Now we talk about M as Madam. Column. M as M. Names with images. Here you will see a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image. Money. Coins or notes. Special pieces of paper that are used to buy things, or an amount of these that a person has. Warm. Having or producing a comfortably high temperature, although not hot. M as Madam. A polite word used to address a woman or a title for a woman used before a position. Column. A tall vertical post used as a support for the roof of a building or for decoration. So viewers, that's all about the second part of the basic English alphabet sound. Certainly, in my upcoming videos, you will be able to understand each and everything about this topic. If you like my video, please like and share it. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that all of my upcoming videos can approach you in time. Take care of yourself till the third part of this topic. See you with the next video. Bye bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.